BMW Teleservice Call is a service that helps keep your BMW mobile by updating your BMW service partner about maintenance requirements. In order to enable this, confirm your vehicle is mapped to your BMW ID, that you have mobile reception, and finally, that the box "All services including analysis" is checked, as this contains the service "Ensure Mobility." If a service is due, your BMW will let you know. Orange warning lights are there to inform you. The Teleservices data relating to a vehicle's service requirements is automatically transferred by BMW to your assigned service partner. Depending on your market, and if possible, the service partner will contact you by phone, message, or email to arrange a service appointment. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.